Good morning. Instead of lying by the pool today, we thought we'd go to Old Pollensa, but because we don't have a car on this holiday...
We do not have a car.
No.
We are going to try and find a bus.
Yes. 5-minute walk away from the hotel, apparently. So come join us as we go by bus to Old Pollensa. Right, we're after the 322. Right, bus is coming in 4 minutes. That says Pollensa. Well, we made it. Well, how long do you think that journey was?
Well, no more than 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10-minute journey. The size now changed to take you to Alcudia.
When we used to come to Mallorca with the girls and we stayed in a villa one time, we always used to see this posh, looks like a church actually, but from the villa it looked like a big posh house. We always used to say it was Catherine Zeta-Jones's house, so now we're very close to it.
And is it?
No.
Right. We've now arrived in Old Pollensa. Let's have a wander round. Just gone 9:30, so it's very quiet this time of the night. Very peaceful as well. Oh my goodness.
365 steps.
How many?
365.
Oh, great.
Wonderful every day of the year.
Wow. 365 steps, eh? In this seat. And it's probably already in the high 20s. I think I'm going to look a little bit like him by the time I get to the top. So stepwise, I'm a few weeks in. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And repeat. So far, so good. Look at that view, Elaine. Yeah, true. It's really quite hot. But on even more by this strenuous climb. We make it to the top. Alcudi's over there, and to the left is Puerto Pollensa. And now, the return journey. Statue. Did it. Don't bother bringing it out on holiday. You can buy one. So there's plenty of places to relax, have something to eat or drink. Let's have a look at the Museum of Pollensa. Pollensa Museum. Need to take some more stairs. Could jump in there right now. I'm sure I've seen this in a movie. Back on the bus, we were soon heading back to our hotel. Thanks for watching, and remember, we have more vlogs of our time in Pollensa. Bye for now.